Hey y'all, Phil here. How you doing? You notice anything different? That's right. I got a haircut. That's right. That's right. I got a haircut. Alright. Just a quick little intro. As you can see, my new toy. I got a RAD Rover fat tire electric bike. Did a lot of research, and this one came out the best that I could tell online. I could have bought the kit and put the motor on my bike and all that. It's a lot of work, and then you got to buy the extra battery. But this way it came all put together, and you'll see a video of me putting it together. I put the bike rack together, new bike rack for the hold the fat tire, and then put the bike together. And you'll see those videos in a little while after this one, once I get everything completed. So I'm going to have fun with it. Okay. Till next time, Phil out.